Alright folks, and here we are back at the house. The beautiful Liezel is going to cook up the tiger prawns in the shells. I'll give you a look at what she's got going on right here. Got a little butter and the garlic. Wow, look at those tiger prawns. Those are looking wonderful. And she's over here crunching up the ginger. Alright, so we got a little teamwork action going on with these beautiful ladies. Why you don't want to put the lemon, baby? Okay, well, just put a little lemon in mine when you get it on the table, baby. Fatima, who's the best husband in the Philippines? I'm the best foreign guy, I think, in the history of the Philippines. What you think, baby? Huh?
Because you are the only my husband. If I have to, I don't know.
You got jokes tonight. You got jokes. Okay, that's good.
It's gonna fit in here. Lagyan natin ang tuyo. Wala namang oyster sauce.
No oyster sauce.
No. Alright, buy oyster sauce in the store.
Or you go to the store, boy, get some oyster sauce.
Cheap ang kunin eh.
Y'all need oyster sauce?
Yeah.
You want me to go get some? Huh?
Oh, you go.
Alright, if you want oyster sauce, I got a question for you ladies. Who's the best foreign guy in the history of the
My
Philippines?
market of only I have one foreigner.
Y'all see the stress I'm under here? All I was trying to do is get a little love. You know, a little, oh, you're the best foreign dude in the history of the Philippines. Because they want me to go get some oyster sauce. I'm not going nowhere until these ladies acknowledge that I'm the best foreign husband in the history of the Philippines. Waiting. Ladies,
No.
you want that oyster sauce? Okay, I'll just sit here and wait. I'm gonna wait till Fatima tells y'all what a good foreign husband I am.
Hola, I already put the toyo in here.
But, baby, I really want some oyster sauce. No, I'm not going. I refuse to go. What is this dude doing over here? Hey, man. It's a private residence here, man. Come on out there, boy. Folks, all you refrigerator peepers out there, I do have beer in the ref now. I'm still not drinking, still haven't drank, but we had that jam session yesterday, and I couldn't have my musicians come over and my singers without having beer. But it wasn't for me. It was for Captain Ron, Mercy, and Eric. I'm still stone cold sober. Hey, sweetie girl. Look at this girl. She's been napping since a little bit after she got home from school. Hey, sweetie. My goodness, folks. It's pandemonium up in here now. It's pandemonium. Liezel, do you want me to go get some oyster sauce?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, who's the best foreign guy in the Philippines? Who? Me? Oh, really? Me? Well, I thank you so much. Wow. I don't know where that came from, but there you go. All right, I gotta go get some oyster sauce. My goodness. Stress I'm under here.
bye-bye. Nilulutin ko naman pagkatapos yung ano. Anak, baby drink?
All right, here she goes, folks.
Here, baby.
Cooking the how do you say it? Tajon?
Ako.
Tajon. What you drinking over there, girl? Little drunk pregnant girl.
Ha?
You wanna go for a walk?